So meron tayong mga coffee shops or laundry shops na we can expect. Then we also have here yung park. Ito yung biggest portion, ang interactive family zones. And sa other portions we have here, fitness park. Then also for Mulabi Tower, we'll be having what we call yung Sky Garden. So located siya sa 16th floor of Mulabi. This is a limited common area, and if you'll notice, mas mataas ang konting price per square meter sa availability. Since if you're a unit owner ng Nara, if you want to check that out, you're not allowed unless meron kang unit. And then we still have 1 to 3 bedroom units available. So we have your model units natin, 1 and 2 bedroom. So for reference, yung 1 bedroom natin, they are facing the outside na, or not facing the amenities. Then more or less same siya ng layout ng Mulabi and Nara Tower. So for the 2 bedroom here, for the context, this is a unit facing the amenity area or yung courtyard suite. And so meron tayong mga 1 bedroom units facing the projects in the veranda. And yung 2 bedroom units also have here and facing inside. And for the 3 bedroom units, meron tayong mga corner na nasa 195 square meters. Meron tayong facing inside, nasa 280 to 210 square meters for Mulabi unit. And for Nara, 2 and 3 bedroom units are here, facing inside. Then we also have yung mga 1 bedroom, nasa facing Avida naman. Then meron tayong 2 bedrooms, kung makikita niyo yung first 2 balconies na nasa likod, that is facing Avida also. Then 3 bedroom corner units, nandito siya. And so mornings and orientation. Any further questions so far?
Sir, yung the other building, anong mga names nila?
Yeah. Other building names, so si Acacia, yung kambal ni Nara.
Okay.
Giho,
Okay.
kambal ni Mulabi, then si Camagong. Si Camagong not more than 10.
Acacia, Giho, Camagong.
So meron tayong social hall sa topmost floor niyan.
Wow. Nice.
Any further questions so far?
Yung bang mga gym nila, exclusivity yan sa, hindi pwedeng outsider?
Hindi pa din outside.
Okay.
Bale, yung Sky Gym natin, located siya sa 15th, 6th floor ni Nara and Acacia building. Yes. Then also, for the basement level parkings, we have 3. So meron tayong grand drop-off. So located siya over here. Dito ang pasok po.
So, papaganan na.
Pagano'n siya.
Okay.
So underground. Meron tayong 2 drop-offs actually. Yung first one will be located here sa ground floor. Then yung second drop-off sa basement one. So for their each respective tower, may kanya-kanya drop sa basement one. Yung grand drop-off natin, nandito siya. So pagpasok mo ng concierge, meron tayong expansive na pool na babati sa mga guests. Tsaka yung guests.
Sir, magkano monthly dues?
Wala pa. Pero si Arbor Lane, sir, nasa 135 pesos
Per square meter.
Sir, dito, access po to, no? Sa
Access.
mall? Tama.
Correct. Yun yung peg nila. So far, tuloy naman daw. Wala pang balita. Pero to give you an idea, para siyang katulad sa Glorieta. And
Yung meron pasok ka sa may in between ng ano.
actually,
Yan, ito yun.
parang ganito yung peg niya.
Ang pasok mo na yan, di ba, sir? Glorieta 4 and 5.
Yes. Glorieta, connected na. Everything clear so far? Sige. We can check out first now